Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can make the Start menu dark without using the dark theme in Windows 11. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article we link in the description. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. Select Personalization from the left pane, and on the right side, click on Colors. Click on the drop-down in order to select Custom. As you select Custom, two new options will appear on your screen, namely Default Windows Mode and Choose Your Default App Mode. Select Dark and choose your default Windows mode, and Light in choose your default app mode. If not already, make sure that transparency effects are off. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.